So on your own, what you're going to do is complete Try It Yourself 18.4, 18.6, and 18.8 to help you. There's a lot of steps to remember, so I kind of jotted down helpful hints that you can follow as you are going through and creating this Pizzeria app. Okay, and it's basically the same steps that we went through when we did learning logs, uh, but it is very beneficial to do it a second time. I think that you will all understand the process better after you go through it again. And so for each of these, I did include commands that you need to use. Okay, and I have basically created this project, and I will go ahead and run it for you. So I'm going to close what I'm currently running. So I'm currently running the other one. Now let me launch a brand new command prompt. And let me look. I think I called it Pizzeria. Yes, I did. And my environment, I called it pizza environment. And then I got to go into scripts and I got to activate this. Alrighty. So now I got it activated. And now I'm going to go back up a couple levels and I'm going to run. So that is Python manage.py run server. Alrighty, it is running. And here it is. Now I'm going to show you the admin part because this was kind of tricky. Adding the data for this. Oops. Okay. Let's see. So you can see I did several pizzas. I'm going to go ahead and do a new one. I'll just call it a Canadian. Okay. So right now my Canadian pizza has no toppings. So what I can do is go into toppings, and I added a bunch of toppings, but then to associate them with a particular pizza. Let me see. Do I have Canadian bacon? No, I have pizza sauce. So I've got pizza sauce, which I would want on the pizza. So I click on pizza sauce, I come down here, choose Canadian, and save it. Then I would want cheese. So let me choose Canadian and save that. And I don't have Canadian bacon. So I'm going to add, and I'm going to go ahead and associate it with this one. All right, so how do I know if that got associated? Here is a little trick I learned. If I select Canadian and I go to delete it, it doesn't actually delete it. I'm not actually going to click on yes, but it shows me the pizza and my toppings. So that's how I know that it all got set up correctly. Okay. So as you're setting these up, you can add a couple different pizzas, add a bunch of toppings, and you can easily associate them. So if I go back to pizzas, I think there's some that I added that I don't have toppings on. Yeah, so I don't have any toppings on my cheese, right? So let's go into toppings. So I would want pizza sauce. And obviously I want cheese. Okay, so then I can go back to pizzas and I can select cheese. Not actually going to delete it, but now I can see that I have toppings on there. Okay, so that's just a little useful tip to make sure that you're adding the pizzas and you're getting the toppings in. So, how do my other screens work? If I want to see those, I just go back out to the main section. And now I can actually look. I don't have any poppings. Okay, so basically what you need to turn in from this is this screen. I need to see this screen. And then I just need to see one of these where you've got toppings. Okay, so 3. That's basically what I need. And setting this up is super similar to what you just did. So I don't think you guys are going to have too many problems with that other than catching typos and that type of thing.